Today, we're taking a look at the erabros LS1 robot vacuum cleaner, an affordable robot vacuum cleaner that not only vacuums, but mops as well. It features a 360-degree LiDAR navigation system that helps you quickly map out your house, while also offering the best navigation to customize your cleaning. You have a brushless vacuuming system, which means no longer do you have to worry about brushes getting tangled with hair, thread, or whatever. But with its powerful 3-speed suction and side brushes, it all gets picked up. And of course, an app so you can create rooms, schedules, and plans with full control. Now, I've had the LS1 for about 2 weeks, so I want to share with you what I think about it. First, let's talk about the vacuum and mop feature. I found that the LS1 does a great job as a vacuum. Again, with its 3-speed vacuum, it's going to pick up things like dirt and crushed cereal with no issues at all. The mop feature is a good addition, but realistically, I would consider this a light mop. For example, coming in from the outside and leaving dirty sneaker marks. The LS1 cleans it up just fine. Now, as the vacuum mode offers 3 different power suctions, the mopping option also gives you 3 options: low, middle, or high water flow. Because the mop is basically a textured cloth underneath the vacuum, the cleaning happens as the robot goes about its task. You can also ask it to perform a Y pattern that offers more passes over the area, giving you a deeper clean. Keep in mind, if there is a carpet in your area, you will have to make this a no mop zone within the app. Now, if you're familiar with robot vacuums, the frustration with tangled brushes is a real issue. One of the strengths of the LS1 is that they went for a tangle-free design that works perfect with homes with pets. Now, while I don't have any pets myself, I could see how the constant pickup of pet hair could create an issue over time with the brush, and with the LS1, this is not an issue. Again, this would be an issue if the suction of the vacuum wasn't strong enough, but the LS1 comes through. Okay, let's talk about the LiDAR system, which does a solid job of mapping your environment and creating an efficient path for your LS1. Your LS1, once mapped, will go about cleaning your house or area, going in a row-by-row pattern with the LiDAR navigating it the entire way, without missing a spot. Just keep in mind, this does not avoid obstacles like toys or wires, so make sure you keep your area clear when running it. And of course, the brain of the operation, the app. You can select rooms, create zones, manage your rooms, create schedules, view records, and even find your robot if it disappears.
I'm here.
And believe me, this happens more often than you would think. This is actually the first vacuum I've used with this feature, which ends up being very useful. You can choose from various cleaning modes: auto, which will clean the entire house; room, which lets you clean a specific room or rooms; zone lets you create a zone within an area if you don't want to go through the entire room; and then you have spot clean, which, well, cleans a specific spot. In your erabros LS1 box, you get your instruction manual, your LS1, your dust tray in the LS1 that also gives you quick steps to cleaning and maintaining your dust tray. Quick guide for connecting your LS1 to your network and setting up for its first run. The LiDAR sensor in the front, the wheels, vacuum, and charging pads. As far as your accessories, well, you have your side brushes. You get 4 of these in total. Your vacuum pad. Also, keep in mind that this attaches with Velcro, so you can peel this off and wash this by hand or throw it in the wash. On the opposite side of it, you have your water container. Okay, you also get a remote, and to be honest, I have yet to use this. I mean, me personally, I'm an app guy all the way, but it's there if you need it. You also get an AC adapter for your base station, and of course, your base station. And finally, an extra filter and a cleaning brush. Now, to get started, snap on your side brushes to your LS1, slide on your mop attachment, and then of course the LS1 will sit on the base. Find a spot you want to keep your LS1 because it will store that location and return to it when it's done. Download the app, connect your device to the network, and you're good to go. First thing the LS1 will want to do is create a map of your house. When it's done, you're good to go. All right, my final thoughts on the erabros LS1. I think this is a solid vacuum and mop at a good value price. I really like the brushless feature, so I'm not having to deal with hair or strands getting stuck in it. Its powerful 3-speed vacuum really does the job, and also, well, I like how it's strong, but also a bit on the smaller side, not too much. I say this because it gets through chairs and tables just fine. And I give that to the smaller size. What I wish would be better about it? Well, I'd have to say the mop. The mop really is there for the ride. While it does a good job, for me, I found myself to use it more as a let me shine my floors than actually cleaning it, if that makes any sense. Also, I wish it could tell the difference between a floor and a carpet automatically instead of me telling what it is and isn't, but no big deal. Overall, the LS1 is a solid choice. Small footprint, does a good job, and it's easy to use. All right, hope this video helped you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own LS1. Hey guys, hit that subscribe button if you enjoy videos like this. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.